What's going on, guys? Jay Raisin here on Forza Motorsport 7. Today I'm at Daytona in 1965 Shelby Cobra Daytona. They only made 6 of these, and they were raced in the 1964 and 1965 seasons. This car in-game costs 1,000,000 credits. The most recent one that I could find that sold at auction sold for 7.25 mil back in 2009. That was chassis number 4 of the 6 that were made. This car came with a 427 V8, and class in the game, I believe, is A-Class. I might be wrong on that. I'm pretty sure it's A-Class. Yeah, something interesting about this car, there was actually an actor that bought one at auction, like back in the 70s or 80s, and the guy was kind of crazy, and eventually he gave the car to his daughter, who was also kind of crazy. And basically the story was she got the car and she put it in storage for several years, and she became suicidal, so she actually went out into the woods and lit herself on fire. But it didn't kill her instantly, because when they found her body, it was probably, I think, like 20-30 feet away from where the fire was started. So it was just kind of crazy. And but yeah, I believe that was the car that sold in 2009. I mean, obviously, you know, it was kept nice, but the actor that bought it initially ended up painting it custom. He put like his own numbers and stuff on the door and whatever, but they refinished it, restored it, and yeah, then it sold for 7.25 mil. But it's an interesting article. I'll put a link to it in the description if you're into, you know, kind of crazy stories like that. This car is pretty, for 1965, it's pretty fun to drive, and it handles well. As you can see in the video, it does have some serious body roll going on, but, you know, that's to be expected. All in all, you know, it's a pretty good car. It's fun to drive, like I said. But yeah, unfortunately last week I didn't have the chance to get a video out from the World of Wheels, which I was planning on doing. By the time I had got there, it was just kind of chaos. People were leaving, but it was sporadic, so there was no, you know, real parade to film. And I also didn't get out a Forza video last week. I've been kind of busy. I'm kind of in between jobs right now. But I am doing the best I can, trying to get these videos out. And once everything calms down here in the next few weeks, I'll be back to the video week at least. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the race. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And check out the Instagram. As always, the link is in the description. And yeah, if you want to read more about that actor and his daughter that had this car, I'll also put a link to that in the description. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.